Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and today I'm gonna show you the perfect transformation from the square shaped nails to the almond shaped nails quickly and easily. And I'm gonna teach you the beautiful nail design. But at first, as usual, I'm working with my favorite diamond flame drill bit. We are removing the pterygia easily and quickly, working with a forward speed. You can order this amazing drill bit on shapeofnail.com. So, as you saw, we have removed the length of the nail, made them shorter a little bit, and now I'm transforming the shape to the almond, just shaping the side walls on the length and shaping from the top. So you should remove the bulky area from the top of the nail and all gel. And as you can see, I'm moving up and down the file in cuticles area. This is needed for preparing the nail for placing gel product to avoid liftings. So you see me applying the building cut of the builder camouflage gel. Now on the shapeofnail.com we have restock and new arrival of products for sculpting nails and for nail design. So you can order this gel only for €6 or $6. So as you can see, I'm still using my finger for removing the floated gel and the pusher. It's very easy to remove the gel when it's flowing on the pads. And quickly place the nail into the LED lamp. After that, when the nail is curved, we are working with the file again to make it more elegant. But I know that some nail technicians don't apply this work because they want to speed up, want to work faster. But I'm perfectionist. I like the ideal shape, even if it's the infill of gel nails. It doesn't mean that we shouldn't achieve the ideal shape. Have you ever saw that my nails that I do is looking down, especially the ring finger? Never I lift it lifted down. I'm always placing the gel on the length and removing the gel from underneath of the nail plate. So this way I'm lifting nails up, and it's more difficult to do it when you apply the almond shaped nails, just because if you do it, nails look like front planes or something like that. If you are English speaking person, please correct me if I'm mistake. I don't remember this word when we mean when something is lifting up. As you can see, the nail is already prepared, and I'm working with the gel polish. You can also use the gel paint, no matter what product do you use. You can place it on the wet gel, on the wet base, or on the dry surface, no matter. I'm using the gel paint of the gold color, and I will be using for drawing patterns. It's very easy when you have the perfect brush of 0 size and the brush and the flat brush for one stroke technique. I'm using the same brush for gel. As you can see, I'm placing the top coat. I'm applying the top coat of the nail. This is the gloss, extra gloss top coat. And sorry, it was the matte top coat. Had a mistake. I just forgot that we wanted to apply the matte surface and draw patterns on the matte surface. Draw roses. Roses on the matte surface. Maybe I'm getting tired and I forget what is nail design I have applied and have some mistakes with my minds with my thoughts. Okay guys, as you can see, we can easily draw roses with that technique, and we should cure it in LED lamp in 2 minutes, because if the gel is not cured enough, in this case this painting will be quickly ruined or spoiled. So this nail design not for those people who work in the warehouse. And I decided to make also the top coat on the top of each stroke. This will make 3D effect, and this will protect this nail design from spoiling and breaking. What do you think about this nail design? If you like it, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and you can order all products on shapeofnail.com with free shipping and with special sale prices. See you tomorrow guys, bye!